6 tips for women, men to lose belly fat and keep it off. Get excited, because your jeans are about to fit so much better. Every woman is beautifully unique in her own way. But one thing just about every woman despises? Dreaded, unwanted belly fat. 1. Have a solid cardio routine on deck. Cardio can, and should, be your new best friend. Dr. Bowl explains. When it comes to losing weight and keeping it off, having a solid fitness routine is key. And research backs this up. There are so many ways to perform cardio, and you can easily pass the workout time with a friend. Fit some in at a minimum of 5 days each week, Dr. Bowl suggests. 2. Perform regular strength training. Strength training is another crucial component of a workout regimen when it comes to losing weight. Strength training burns calories while you're at the gym and while you're home recovering. If you're going for a toned look, strength training is how you get there, Dr. Bowl says. 3. Consume high-protein foods. Adding lean protein to your meals is an excellent way to feel full without consuming a lot of extra calories. Dr. Bowl points out, lean proteins, like chicken, fish, and plant-based proteins, are an excellent source of nutrition and will pair well with your strength training. 4. Maintain a diet of healthy carbs and fats. Weight loss in general is all about a calorie deficit. You have to eat fewer calories than you burn. Dr. Bowl tells us, there's been a lot of research around whether a low-carb or low-fat diet is better for weight loss. When you're designing your meal, instead of stressing about carbs versus fats, just focus on eating healthy versions of both. Healthy carbs include whole grains, and healthy fats include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. 5. Plan a cheat day each week. You may be surprised to hear that cheat days are totally fine every so often. It's also a pretty important way to assure you will keep off the weight once you take it off. The best diet is the one you actually stick to, and if you don't allow yourself to have any flexibility, you might just give it up altogether. So, if you really want sustained weight loss, don't worry about breaking the rules here and there. As long as, overall, you stick to your outlined routine, you'll be happy with the results, Dr. Bowl stresses. 6. Discuss your weight loss goals with your doctor. Weight loss is really about maintaining a solid diet and exercise routine. Your doctor may be able to discuss medications that can be effective in helping you achieve permanent weight loss.